In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily restore WhatsApp backup in your phone. This method works on iOS and Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first off, in order not to lose your data, let's make a backup. I'm gonna enter WhatsApp settings. Then check backup, and then I'll dump it back up. Now after the backup is done, we can close WhatsApp app and we can now take our new device. Or I can just remove WhatsApp from my current device. Just like that. Just to demonstrate you how to restore backup. So first off, you need to open up App Store if you are on an iPhone, or Google Play if you are on Android. And then just search for WhatsApp. After that, download it on your device. And once the download is done, we need to open up WhatsApp application. Then tap add, agree and continue. And on the next step, we need to enter our phone number and tap and done. After that, it will ask us if we would like to restore our data from iCloud if you are on iPhone, or from Google Drive if you are on Android. To continue, just stop at restore after a couple of seconds. Over 20k messages is restored. And then to continue, we need to tap at next. Then we can create name for our WhatsApp account. And now it says restoring media. So now you can already use your WhatsApp. You can get into a conversation and then just send a message. WhatsApp will restore your media automatically in the background. That's how you can easily restore WhatsApp backup in new iPhone.